Today, cruise passenger is on board the new and luxurious Regent Seven Seas Splendor. And we have Steve Odell, who is Managing Director of Asia Pacific, show us the best suite on board the ship.
Well, it's a great pleasure to have you here, Teresa. And today we're going to show you the Regent Suite, which is the pièce de résistance of the Seven Seas Splendor.
It's amazing.
It's a beautiful suite. The first thing you notice is you have your own personal butler to look after you for the duration of your stay.
Thank you.
Our president, Jason Montague, is already here in residence.
Welcome.
Jason, so this is your home and abode for the next few days?
This is my home. I'm a very happy man.
There is a small Steinway here, which the guests have use of during their stay. So it's a beautiful feature, custom made for the ship. Well, this is the dining area, and you can see here that we can actually accommodate 6 people for dinner. We can increase that depending on how many guests are travelling in the group. The guests on board this suite also have access to a private dining room in the ship as well, called the study. This is called the winter garden area.
Because of the beautiful sunlight that comes through here.
And you see here you have this beautiful relaxing space right at the forward end of the ship. This is deck 14, it's the top deck that you can go to. Even the bridge is a little bit.
Dom Perignon, Remy Martin,
what more could you want?
Exactly, your own butler, your own private chef.
Exactly. And so you'll see each suite on the ship has this water bottle which is refillable.
So doing away more and more with day-to-day
plastic, which is a big driver, as you know, in the whole travel business.
Exactly.
There's even a coffee.
Well,
Cruise passenger vacancy.
well done. Good bedtime reading for you, Jason.
Absolutely.
This is the master bedroom.
Look at this. Isn't this amazing?
This is a custom-made bed for the suite. The cost of this bed is $200,000 US.
Wow.
Because it has a TV, retractable TV. All this beautiful crystal lighting from Czech Republic.
And apparently it guarantees you a perfect night's sleep.
Perfect night's sleep. And I think even here I spot a Picasso. The collection is a $5 million collection.
Wow.
There are 300 pieces in the collection.
Right,
So you'll
not
see
all
all
Picassos though.
Not all
This is-
Picassos,
yes.
no. But you'll see all this beautiful art throughout the ship. When you come to the ship, it feels like coming home. It feels very residential in style. It doesn't feel like a hotel or a cruise ship.
Exactly. All right, now you can take me to this surprise entrance.
Okay, the final piece to show you is our Regent Suite Spa.
Look at the marble that's around here.
The main bathroom of the spa. But we also have these thermal beds in the spa. If you feel
Is it
them,
heated?
They're heated. Yes.
Oh, goodness.
And we have a steam room and sauna dedicated to the suite. And of course you can see here there's a lot of space because passengers in the Regent Suite don't go to the Serene Spa. The spa comes to them. We have a different choice of amenities for our Regent Suite guests. So here you see a couple of examples. Is the Jolin, and there's also there the L'Occitane. La Bottega, the Bottega design company, are now producing beautiful bath salts as well to use in the
For your
bath.
own personal
For your
bath.
own personal bath, yes. And the
After
butler
your
will-
personal massage.
Exactly, yes, exactly. So all in all, this is a taste of luxury at a different level for a cruise ship.
I think it's the utmost level of luxury. Who wouldn't love to stay here?
Well, we can book you.
Thank you, Steve.
The cost is
Only?
Actually, the cost is around $11,000 per person per night. And you might say, are there that many people that can afford to do that? The answer is yes, because the suite is largely booked out for the next 12 months.
Oh my goodness, so I can't get on board this suite until 12 months later?
Well, there are a few gaps here and there, but largely it's the Regent Suite is sold out.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Steve, a
Yes.
wonderful job indeed.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you very much.